Good morning, everybody. Off to go do a job. I didn't have anything scheduled today or this week because the rain's been kind of it's been here. But now it's a sunny, beautiful day. Now we're out to go remove a pile of concrete. And then I just got a voicemail from a mobile home park that I ripped a mobile home out and they want a concrete pad removed. So I'll have to look at that later. But right now we're gonna go get rid of this pile of concrete and take it to the recycle yard and then go to the next job if we got one. Getting up to this stop sign here, it looks like somebody was driving a little too fast. Probably coming from that way and then crush right there. This is after 5 trailer loads. I still have all this. There's probably another 4 trailer loads here. This is the concrete. I've got a couple more piles left, but I got a stinky situation here. There's a skunk right there. And it's not dead. I have awoken the beast. Please don't go underneath the tracks. Thank God I didn't run it over. It keeps coming towards me. I think it wants shelter. This is pretty much the last load of concrete I have from the job. It smells like skunk super bad. But yesterday I did break a bolt here on the other side. It just broke and then the tire started hitting the other side of the trailer. So I had to put that bolt in. The tire was rubbing against here. Because when that bolt breaks, the whole axle shifts backwards. So for now it's fixed, but I need to put a better bolt in there. Over time the bushing gets shot in this eyelet of the leaf spring there, and then it breaks the bolt. It just wears the bolt to nothing and then it falls apart. Having a wireless remote's pretty nice, but this thing's tiny. Alright, back at this job, gotta be removing the rest of this material here. And then I'm going to be taking all this dirt here away also, which is a ton of dirt. Yesterday I broke a pin on this, so this part just snapped off from the pin. The pin's in the tractor right now, but I gotta fix that. It's all bent, won't go in there, so can't use that bucket for now. Just gotta use the thorn one. Well, it's been a beautiful week of sunshine and no rain, and now rain. And we all know with dump trailers, rain and dirt, it's not good because the dirt starts to stick to the dump trailer. So when you're dumping it, a lot of it doesn't like to come out. So probably going to be running into that today. And I'm debating on just holding off on this job for a few days. I'm not sure because this rain is just making things terrible. It's gonna make the job take longer. You're gonna drive slower. It's just a pain in the butt. And then where I go to dump the dirt, you know, I don't want to risk getting stuck there. So it's just rain's just being a killer on this job right now. So since it's raining and I got mud coming in, I had to set these up. Make sure there's some filtration before the water hits the drain. Otherwise, it's a $1,500 fine from the Fish and Game Wildlife if this isn't set. So at least that's all done now. And this is why I hate the mud and the rain. Dirt doesn't like to come out of the trailer. So since it's raining and it's muddy, I'm bringing both of these to where I'm dumping the dirt off, which is about 5 houses down. And I'll use the excavator to get the dirt out of the trailer when it gets stuck. And I'll use this just to push it around to get it out of my way. It's a friend's house down the street, so it's not a big deal. But I'll never get that dirt out of the trailer, and I'll never finish this job if I don't have these at the other job. So it's gonna cost me a little bit more time and money, but for right now, it's worth it. I'm about to unload these monstrosities here. And see, this is where I am stuck. So I'll get the dirt out of the trailer there, and then we'll leave, and then come back and we'll just keep dumping dirt, and I'll just push this stuff out of the way because we're gonna fill this whole area in over here. See, now we'll just get all the dirt out of here so I can dump this dang trailer. All right, load number 2. I still have a ton more to go, but making a little bit of progress. But the rain is just ruining my life today. So hopefully tomorrow there will be no more rain and it'll be dried up a little bit, and then I can continue. So today this is my second dirt load. I have spent more time trying to get the dirt out of this trailer than I have actually been doing a job. And dump trucks have like a vibrating motor on them underneath on the bed part. So I'm going to try to look into getting one of those for this and test that out. See if that will help get all of this out instead of having to use a shovel and getting in there, getting all this stuff out. This is taking forever. Taking way too long.